Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unscrambler, and today in this video I will solve this 4x4 Megamorphix Rubik's Cube. So this is 4x4 Megamorphix Rubik's Cube, and this is simple 3x3 Master Morphix, and we can solve this cube some like simple 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and similar this is 2x2 Morphix Rubik's Cube, and this is our Ultra Morphix, and we can say 5x5 Mega Morphix. But in this video I will solve this 4x4 Mega Morphix Rubik's Cube. So I will solve this cube within 3 steps. So our first step, I will solve these centers. So in this cube we have these our centers. This is our first center, this is second center, this is our third center, this is our fourth center, 5 and 6. In this cube we have total 6 center, and we can solve this cube same like a simple 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And in this cube we have also these 3 sticker pieces. So these are our corners, and similar in this cube we have this smaller piece. We can see this small triangle piece. So these are also our corners. This is our red corner piece, and similar in this cube we have these 2 pieces. So these are our edges. This is our first edge, this is second. So these are our edge pieces, these are our centers, and these are our corners. So in this video I will show that how we can solve its centers. So in next part I will solve its edge pieces, and in third part I will solve this cube same like this simple Master Morphix Rubik's Cube. So now I will scramble this Mega Morphix Rubik's Cube, and then I will solve in this video its centers. So now I will scramble this cube. So I have scrambled my Mega Morphix Rubik's Cube, and now I will start to solve this cube. So first step, we will solve its centers. So we can see these 4 pieces. So this is our center point. We will fix one center in this position, second in this position, third, fourth, 5 and 6. So in this cube we have no any color scheme, same like simple 4x4. First we will solve our centers, and then we will check and we will fix our centers on its correct position. But in this Ultra Morphix Rubik's Cube we have in every side one center point. So this is our main center. So when we scramble our cube, so we can solve our center by using this main center, I mean this yellow red center. We check our these centers like that. So we can solve our remaining portion by using this main center. But in this Mega Morphix we will solve our centers, and then we will solve our edge pieces, and then we will arrange our centers by using color scheme. So we can select any one. If I select this, so if I select this green yellow, we can see one green is properly matching on this position. Now our next step, we will find our second green and yellow, I mean 2 color piece. So this is our second green and yellow piece. First we will rotate like that and bring it near this piece. Okay, so now in this side we have already fixed green. It means in this piece we will match in this position yellow piece, and then we will fix this complete portion on this position. So we will rotate cube like that, and we will find our any yellow piece. So we can fix this piece, also we can fix this. So if we rotate like that, and you can see this piece we have fixed properly. We will rotate in this position, I mean we will save in this position and bring it back. So this is done. We will rotate like that and fix on its proper position. So one center we have complete properly. So we can solve its center same like using simple 4 by 4 trick. So this is fixed. Now we will solve its opposite center. I mean we solve this center, so we will solve any one center on its opposite side. So we can select any one color. If I select blue yellow, so one yellow color we will need to fix on this position, and also we can fix blue color, so any one we can select. If I select a yellow color, so first I will find any yellow color piece, rotate like that, and we have one yellow on this position. Just bring it down and you can see this is fixed, and we will bring it back. So this is our solved center. So this is done. Now we will find our second blue and yellow. So this is our second blue and yellow centerpiece. We will fix blue color with this center because we have already fixed yellow and our second color is blue. It means we will match blue with this. So hold cube like that and we can fix this blue with this piece. So rotate like that and bring it down. So this is also fixed. Now we will fix this complete portion on this position. So we cannot fix this piece like that. Oh sorry, first we will rotate like that and now we will fix on this position. So we cannot fix this piece directly, because if we fix piece like that, so our this center will be solved but our this center will be break. So we will use same simple 4 by 4 trick. I mean we will place these two pieces in one line, and now we will rotate this piece in this position, then rotate this complete portion in this side and bring this piece on its proper position. So this is done and this is also done. So these two centers we have fixed properly. Now we will solve our this middle portion. One center we will fix on this position, another center we will fix on this side. We will solve our another center on this position and last in this side. So we can select any one. I can select red green, I can select yellow red, so any one. If I select red green, so there is green in this position, so we can fix this green on this side. So rotate this green on this side, then bring it down. So this is done. Now we will find our second red and green piece. So this is our second red and green, and in this side we have also matching green. So we need to fix in this position red. So red is also fixed. We will just rotate like that and match with this. So this is also done. We can solve this center and also we can solve this. So we can solve in this side. So I can select red and blue. So first we will fix one blue piece on this position. So we have available blue piece. We will place blue in this position, match with this, then save in this position and bring this step back, because this is our solved center. So this is done. We will find our second red and blue. So this is our second red and blue. First we will bring it close, take out of the way and bring this portion back. So in this side we have fixed blue. Now we will fix in this side red piece. So we have available one red on this position. Just rotate like that, match with this take out of the way and bring it back. So this is already solved. Now we will fix this complete portion on this position. So again we will use same simple 4x4 trick. We will place these two pieces on in one line, then bring this layer down and save this complete piece portion on this side and bring it up. So this is done, this is also done, this is also. We have solved our fourth center. Now we will solve our fifth center. So I can select blue and green because one half portion we have already solved, and similar we have also second portion solved. We will just fix this piece on this position. So same 4x4 trick, bring this portion on this side, then take out of the way and bring this back. This is done, this is done, this is also. Now we have left with our last center. So in last center sometime we have already available one half portion solved, but in this case we have no any portion solved. So we can hold cube from this position, also from this side, also from this side. So we can hold from any one side. And this second layer, this is our first layer, this is our second layer. Now we will use our this second layer. So this is our R, and now we will apply one algorithm and our half portion will be solved. Then place solve portion on this position and again apply algorithm and our complete center will be solved. So hold cube like that and we will use this middle layer. So our algorithm is R2 U R2 U prime R2 U prime D, I mean down, R2 U prime R2 U R2. So we will check our all centers. So this is okay, this is also okay, this is also. So now we can see we have apply our algorithm and we have find half portion solved. So we will just save this solve portion in this left side and again we will apply our algorithm and our this center will be solved. So this is our solved portion because in this position we can see yellow is proper matching, and we will place in this side and again apply same algorithm. So R2, we will apply R2 by using these centers. So we can check, this is R1, this is R2, then U, again R1, R2, U prime, again R1, R2, U prime, D, down, R1, R2, U prime, R1, R2, U, and then R2. So now we can see our this center is done, this is also done, this is also, and we have solved our all 6 centers. So this last center we have some little bit tricky. So now we can see we have solved our all centers, and in next part I will show that how we can solve our these edge pieces. So these are our edges.